My name is Guillaume Lambert. I'm the CEO of Panoptic.
My name is Jesper Christensen. I am the Chief Operating Officer at Panoptic.
We're here officially for the Cornell Blockchain Conference, but here we wanted to meet with the people that have been following us and kind of been behind Panoptic for so long.
We're building Panoptic because of a glaring lack of a functioning options protocol in the decentralized finance space. We're building Panoptic in a DeFi native way. And that's the first time this has been done in the DeFi option space.
With Panoptic, we'll kind of open up the world of options to the blockchain. So we allow the users here to actually access the pre-launch version. Anyone that wants to trade an option, they can go on Panoptic and it's going to work in a seamless manner. We'll make it easy to use. We'll make it intuitive and easy to understand.
We have a super exciting team behind us. So we have super passionate people who want to come into this space and actually make a difference, who recognize that this is the future of finance. We are creating an entirely new way to trade options. We're all building to change the future and to improve finance as we know it for good.